is against all odds, like Pac said. I'm the living great Gatsby, but these boys will watch you quick and disappear like Banksy. From ocean to ocean, sea to sea, I'm something that you gotta see.
Gonna take a love to drive me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I must race down and out. Gonna take some time to do the things we never had.
I practice what I preach, but I ain't gon' lie. Still got love for these streets, 305 till I die. Still got love for these beats, that's why I spit this fire. You can catch me on the beach, especially on the island. Took over my city, now it's time for the world. I live a day rapping, there's a difference, girl. Getting paid more than athletes, man, life is sweet. GM on the status, Papa, watch me.
Gonna take a love to drive me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I must race down and out. Gonna take some time to do the things we never had.
I got the world on my shoulders, still quick on my feet. Now I say sleep is the cousin of death, so I don't sleep. These boys act like they hard, but we know that they sweet. They wouldn't bust a grape at a food fight, Papa, please. Went from rapping with them boys with a mouth full of gold to hanging with Slim Jr. down in Mexico. Take it with a grain of salt and a pound of gold. The game is to be sold and not told. Let's go.
Gonna take